Hi, I'm Jade.
Hi, I'm Mia.
Hey, I'm Caleb.
Hi, I'm Avalon.
I'm Audrey.
I'm Daniel BL.
So my name is David.
Hi, my name is Sika.
Hi, Maria.
Hi, I'm Emily Montiel. I'm 12 years old.
I'm Vanessa, and I'm 14. I'm Laura, and I'm 7.
The reason why I love firefighters is because we need some heroes.
I think the work of firefighters is important because that there are so many lives out there that need to be saved, and that without them, that there would be so many less people in the world. Just because if firefighters weren't there, like who is there to help save them?
I think they have a very important job and a very dangerous job, and I think it's very honorable to people that put themselves in that danger so that they can save other people.
One thing that I find really admirable about firefighters is kind of what Caleb said about how not everyone is willing to go into a fire that has a lot of dangers and a lot of that it might be uncomfortable, cause a lot of like pain and stuff like that. And the fact that they are willing to go in there, again, with the selflessness to rescue people, like putting their needs and putting their safety ahead of their own needs. I just think that that's a very important thing to have, and especially with how I've noticed that more people nowadays are getting more selfish, that we need more selfless people in the world.
Matt is a good person. He saved thousands of lives. He will run in and help the person in need, no matter the risk, which I have to admit, it raises my respect for him by a ton. And hey Matt, just want you to know, people in your community, they care about you. Hopefully you get better soon and keep your hopes and dreams high.
Hi, my name is Sika. I drew Matt Letch. He's a super cool firefighter and I love him. I love him because he saves people. He saves cats and he saves dogs. I hope you get well soon.
I drew Matt Rush and the fire truck broken, and I really like it.
He has very masculine features. Because most men's faces are like, they're either rounded or like they're straight down flat, and they have a sharp thing down here and it's flattened. I would consider his jawline a white. And I drew him strong.
I hope you like it. Okay.
So I used his reference photo, and I gave him green eyes, and I tried to give him his mustache. I also wrote the Tempe Fire Department, and then I tried to do the logo as well on his shirt and everything, so that we knew that he was from the fire department.
I think this is really good. I love it. I love your choice of colors. That green really works. You didn't make it like lime green. You kind of chose a kind of color that complements your art. Now, I really like that your approach in choosing colors. You always choose colors that work well together. So I think there's a more wider understanding of color theory